Hello, and welcome back to another video in POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. Today we'll be covering the discounts report, the easiest way to learn the who, when, where, and why of every discount that takes place in your business. As always, we'll get started by logging onto the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, click on the Reports tab. From here, we select the Sales tile and click on the Discounts report. Now that we've landed at the report, we look to the Report Selection window to define the group of items we would like to include by brand, description, department, or size. Note that the drop-down arrow next to Department allows you to toggle between department and type. Next, specify the time frame for the report to look through. Under Date Range for Report, select either the last week, month, 3 months, 6 months, or year. You can also indicate a specific custom time frame. Click Submit to run the report. In this table here, we get all the details we might need to keep a close eye on any discounts given at the register. I'll go through all of this, starting from the top. We can see the gross sales of items that have been sold with a discount in the time frame you set a moment ago, followed by the total of all discounts in that time frame, and the average discount percent. Then we see net discount sales, which is calculated by subtracting total discounts made from gross discounted sales, and the net gross margin, which is your actual gross margin considering the discounts that have been applied. This half of the table covers exactly what item was discounted. Here we can see what the original price was, how many were discounted in that transaction, and how much they were discounted by both dollar amount and percentage. We have the invoice number as well, so you can look up and reprint receipts. If you set EncorePOS to request initials from the clerk at each transaction, or you have your clerks log in using individual credentials, those will show up here. Finally, we have date and time here. The year is the first 4 digits, month after that, and lastly the day. The time is displayed in a 24-hour or military time format. As with any of our reports, you can navigate through different pages using the buttons at the bottom of the table here, narrow results with the search utility, or change how the report sorts information by clicking on the arrows here. If you'd like to export the report for bookkeeping purposes, click here to copy the table to your clipboard, here for an Excel file, here for a PDF, or click here to send the report directly to a printer. That's about it for this video today. If we helped you out, leave a like below. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our support number down in the description, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.